Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find investors on AngelList. So let's get straight into it. So to find and connect with investors on AngelList, we need to follow a few steps to navigate the web interface. So let's go. The first one, we need to get to angellist.com. Now we will see here at the top some products. So first we will go to the venture funds like that. Then now we will sign in to it. So I will go like that, and now we will start to sign in. So if you done already this, then it will look something like this. If you don't have an account yet, just add your data in, and this is it. It's really fast and simple. Okay, so when you are done with your profile, go to the invests and then to syndicates page. Now here at the right side you will have the filter sidebar to narrow down leads by sectors and stages. So this is really important, which and how that you filter these preferences that you have. And yeah, you will find here a bunch of the uh, options in this site. Then you will need also to leverage your social proof to trigger notification. So you will need to confirm backers. You can also add existing advisor or smaller angels already on the platform. And then you will just need to create a shareable link. And yeah, that's basically it. So you need to be visible on this platform. So you really need to put in some work into this thing that everybody can sees you. So yeah, this is how you can find investors. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.